Alright, so we've got the chicken warming up. It was a bag of pre-cooked chicken strips that I already had in the freezer. Put a little water in the pan, and now I'm going to bring this up to warm. I've got the water on for the pasta, the fettuccine pasta. I've got the jar of sauce ready to open, and I had some leftover steamed broccoli in the refrigerator we're also going to use. During this time, I'm going to see if I can go ahead and make a salad. So I've got shredded carrots, half a head of lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and a little bit of bell pepper that I found in the refrigerator. Give that a stir. Turn that down a little bit. Continue with the salad. And chop up the pepper. And I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup. The package says to cook the fettuccine for about 11 minutes. It's entirely up to you how you like your fettuccine. So we're going to give that a few more minutes to cook. Okay, the noodles are almost done, so I'm going to add the garlic Alfredo to the chicken. Let that come up to temperature. We're at 19 minutes and 23 seconds. As far as the cleanup goes, I have a little more fettuccine in the colander. I need to put that away. I've got some more Alfredo over here that could be a couple of lunches, or we could serve 4 instead of 2 people. And then the pan that the pasta was in, everything else got cleaned up while the pasta was cooking. So in 20 minutes you can have dinner on the table. Now, since this is frugal or cheap, we're going to talk about, you could buy these, everybody could have what they wanted for dinner. These are going to run you about $3.50 to $4 if they're not on sale. And you get quite a bit of pasta, because pasta is cheap. And it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of chicken that are about 1.5 inches long. I haven't priced this out. I'll put that at the end. I'll kind of scroll that through the ingredients that I used and the price, and I include the price of the salad. So you've got broccoli, chicken Alfredo, and salad in about 20 minutes.